Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over a quick tip with you and show you what you need to do if you've got a Ford E-Series van that's switching to defrost on you while you're accelerating. The problems with the vacuum reservoir, and I'll show you here in just a second how you're going to bypass the original one so you don't have to tear the dash out and put in another one. Save you a whole bunch of time and money here and get this thing fixed up for you. We'll have a look under the hood real quick, and then we'll have a look under the passenger side dash area, and I'll show you what you need to do to get this thing fixed up. Alright guys, so what you're going to want to do once you get the glove box removed and the doghouse taken off, you're going to want to get the main vacuum line from the engine and just run it through the side here. I just took a bolt out to run it through here, but you can drill a hole, or you can take one of these bolts out, and I'll get a closer zoom in on all of it for you when we get to that point. But you want to run it through there, and this will be your main vacuum supply line. You're going to run that to your new check valve, and then you'll end up running a small piece of hose from the existing HVAC vacuum controller into your new vapor canister through the check valve. I'll show you once we got it all set up here. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull the doghouse back, which I've already done. You're going to want to find the red vacuum line that's supplied from the engine. Once you get that undone, you're going to just feed it through the side here. I just took this bolt out and ran it straight through the insulation. It's good and tucked up out of the way. And you know, if you're having this kind of problem, like I said, what you can do is just go ahead and get you that red line right there that runs off the main source of vacuum. Get you a check valve, just like so. The black line that runs right up underneath here on the firewall, right here, you're just going to cut it off. You're going to tee it right into the check valve, and then you're going to put the other end of the check valve on the vacuum reservoir. And that'll get you what you need to get this problem quick. That's it for now, guys. If y'all enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and think about subscribing to the channel. Thank you.